Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today we are going to be unboxing the OnePlus 6 and the OnePlus 6 case that we got as well. So this case is called the Carbon Bumper Case. And overall, I just wanted to get a case for the phone, and this one seemed like the best one to me. Let me know your thoughts if you'd rather get the wood one, the old sandstone, or which style. But we finally got this phone in the studio, so I immediately wanted to do an unboxing of it and start getting those videos ready as we are finishing our review on the G7. And we'll be able to compare this one to that phone and all of the other flagships on the market. Make sure to let me know in the comments section, what do you want to see this compared to the most? Oh, and if you are wondering which version I got, I did get the 128 gig Midnight Black. So this is, I would say probably, in my opinion, the best one to get, just because it has 8 gigs of RAM, which is definitely something that I need, as well as the ability to really have 128 gigs of storage. Since it's not expandable, I think that's a really important point. So here we are at the front, and let's pull this up. I don't think it's supposed to pull the whole thing out, maybe it is. But let's go ahead and take this out and then just pop it out of this case, or... Not easy, OnePlus, there you go. There you go, that was a tight fit. So here is the phone, there is the notch. Although I am more hopeful of this notch compared to some of the other notches, simply for the fact that with this notch, you do have the ability, it's OLED, so it should look like this essentially without that notch showing. So hopefully we'll be able to hide the notch right away. And this is just letting you know that it is 2 SIM card slots. So that's important for you to know as well. And we have the dash charger inside, which is important since I'll be using that since I do not have wireless charging. Still wish I had wireless charging, but really nice there. And then we have all the paperwork and an additional case. So OnePlus does give you a case out of the box, which is nice. Again, not a lot of manufacturers do that, so it's still that really nice touch that OnePlus does give you. So it's a frosted style case, clear, but just a little bit frosted on there. And then you have the OnePlus information as well as the SIM card removal pin. And I think that's it. Yep, that is it from here. And so this is it, and this is the Midnight Black, which I do like this. It really doesn't look like this is glass. It's frosted glass from what I hear. But really, it does not look like it's glass. It looks like it's metal, so I definitely like this design, especially a lot more than the mirror one. Still fingerprints though, you can see if you look closely, you kind of see the ones over there. But I like the design. I really like the look of this phone, much more than I thought it would. That's so funny. So if you have it this way, the notch is gone. But then as soon as you put it up, the return of the notch. I swear that's going to be something one year. It's going to be like the return of the notch. Now let's go ahead and put this lovely case on here as well, since this is a case that I will most likely be using. The difference of the one that comes with it, and you can definitely feel a bit more durability with this one. I also like this case. OnePlus had some of these cases that didn't go all the way around, and I obviously want it for the front lip protection so that it really protects it all the way around. And so let's go ahead and put this in here. And there you go. I like that look. It's really clean looking, nice. It feels protected now. And the button feedback is really good with this case, so I definitely like that as well. Volume rocker's good enough, and yep, you have access to the slider fairly easily as well. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Again, what are the videos you mostly want to see from this smartphone? What do you want to see? You want to see a camera review? Do you want to see a camera comparison? Which phones do you want to see go up against in speed, processing, benchmark tests? What do you want to see in this reviews? Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.